Safe sex is great sex. Hello, class. During this lesson, Miss Rutledge, Mr. Warren, and myself, Mr. Stonecipher, will be covering the topic of safe sex. Miss Rutledge will be going over the different types of contraception that can be used. For example, condoms, Mirenas, and other ones to follow. After that, I will be covering what happens when a population doesn't use protected sex and the impacts it has on the population, the baby boomer generation. After that, we will turn to Mr. Warren. Mr. Warren will cover the proper use of condoms. He will give an example of the proper steps to place a condom on and why it's important to follow these important steps. At the end of this lesson, the class will divide into groups. We will have a review game. And at the end of the review game, whichever group has the most amount of condoms, because I will be handing out condoms as a way of tallying up scores. Whichever group gets the right answer, they'll get a condom, and at the end we will tally them all up, and the group that has the most will receive some type of reward, maybe 5 extra credit points for a quiz, exam, or a final grade. And at the conclusion of our lesson, we hope that students will be able to take away how to have protected sex, what the importance are of protected sex, and the steps to take to stay healthy if you do have unprotected sex. And as a disclaimer, we are not encouraging students to go out there and have sex. This is just a lesson to give the kids knowledge, the students knowledge on if they do have sex, how to take the proper steps to have safe sex. And remember, safe sex is great sex.